the bus towards the Ouzoud waterfalls. That's our excursion of the day. So we're gonna take big hikes in the forest. We don't have a tour guide. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. I think the bus driver is the tour guide. We brought our bathing suits because we don't know if we'll be able to jump in or not, but so excited. After the torrential nap that everybody took on the bus, we finally made it to Ouzoud waterfalls. The multi-step waterfall has 3 large drops with a total height of 110 meters. It was funny to us that although there were several thousand tourists roaming the falls, beautiful views, there weren't any fences or barriers stopping people from falling over the edge, something you'd never see in Canada. Go on a boat excursion. I would do the swim right now, but unfortunately that was not part of the itinerary. The blazing heat of the African sun was definitely draining, but as soon as I saw sight of the bay wrapping around the falls, I immediately wanted to jump in. Since the itinerary of our guided tour was planned to the minute, all there was time for was pictures, which we got loads of. This is it, guys. We made it. Look at that stream. Bonding with locals gives me so much joy while traveling. This special instance, a man working as a boat guide at the falls could barely communicate to us in English, but was determined to make our experience a special one by having us all cheer and laugh on the boat and brought us right under the waterfall's rampant storm. I was drenched from mist after only a minute. Finished our second excursion and our last excursion. Absolutely breathtaking. I wish the monkey climbed us though. I know. Andrea and I found our favorite type of popsicle in Morocco. It's called Solero. It's dude, it's the best. It's tropical flavor. Oh my god! Oh my god! Happy birthday to Cheers! That looks amazing. Cheers. That is really good. Morning, it's our final day in Morocco. We're going to the Madrasa Ben Youssef. I'm like reading the sign for it. It's supposed to be this like beautiful garden with like a pond, and since it's our last day, we kind of wanted to take it easy, see more of like the gardens, Riyadh, ceramic artwork. Madrasa Ben Youssef was originally the main mosque of the city, constructed in 1106 AD. This was the form of architecture I was anticipating to see in Morocco, but its glory was far more than I imagined. From the elaborate arches to the wooden carvings and mosaic masterpieces, this place was magical, and also exactly what I would want my home to look like if I was a Moroccan princess. We finally got to the spa.
here. It's so hidden.
So we're now at the spa. We have our robes on. We're ready to get our massage, our hammam massage. I don't really know what to expect. I think they like shower you and then drench you in oil and then massage you.
They clean you first. They rub you down.
Bye. Bye. I've never felt this zen in my life. We were able to come to this place on our last day. I just feel so lucky to be here. Our last dinner was spontaneous yet unexpectedly amazing. Maybe I was starving since we hadn't eaten anything since breakfast, but the creamy pesto pasta reached above my expectations at this place. Last time Andrea opens the door for us. No! Good morning! It's our last day in Marrakech. We leave at 1:20. We're just gonna spend our morning around the souks, probably do some bargaining.
I'm really hoping that they're gonna have the crepes with Nutella today, because yesterday they didn't have it.
Oh, I really want it. I don't want to leave. This trip bonded us together, bonded us to the culture, and bonded us to Marrakech.
Wow,
we will
really
never.
Beautiful. Yeah, this is a very special place now. We'll be back like in a month, because we're actually obsessed with this place. We'll come back just for the hammam.
I love it here.
This one is with the orange juice and the saffron. And the blue one is indigo with the indigo stone. Yeah.
Last few minutes in Morocco and we got everything we wanted. Bangles, postcards, rings. Goodbye.